Today, we're gonna have a tarp talk. How do we reinforce the corners that still have the grommets, but frankly, we know they're gonna tear out if we get into any kind of weather. So what we're gonna do is just, again, duct tape. And again, in my situation here, this is Gorilla Tape. Now it is pretty cold out here, so I'm really making sure that this stuff sticks so that it doesn't peel away in the middle of the night, because that would obviously defeat the purpose. So I am making sure I get a good adhesion to the tarp material. All the way over the top like that. It's looking pretty good. And you can bet when I'm out in weather the next couple days that I will have this tape with me handy in my pack so that if I get any issues here, I can fix them quickly. Now if you'll notice, there was nothing super fancy about this. It's just kind of going back and forth until we've reinforced every possible failure point on this grommet. It's not very pretty, but that's not the point.